Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is a lovely home with the potential to generate additional income. This can be done through long-term or short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb. It is at a desirable location close to Mandeville Town Center and the Winston Jones Highway. The home is well maintained with a flexible layout that can be tweaked to provide additional space. Upstairs, you will find 5 bedrooms, including the master bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, double living room, dining, kitchen, washroom, and balconies. Downstairs consists of a 1 bedroom flat and a studio, both self-contained with bathroom, kitchen, living and dining space. The property is supplied with water from NWC Main, and it also has a large tank with water reserve. Call today and make an appointment to hear about other features and amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.